Welcome to Techno Trend Zone. Have you ever felt like the perfect camera is just out of reach? One that seamlessly blends power, versatility, and cutting-edge innovation to make every shot feel effortless? If you've been searching for the next big leap in photography, the rumored OM-5 Mark II might be the answer to your creative dreams. Whether you're a seasoned professional chasing perfection, an enthusiastic hobbyist looking to elevate your skills, or someone who simply enjoys capturing life's fleeting moments, this camera is shaping up to offer something for everyone. Today, we're taking a deep dive into what makes this highly anticipated release so exciting. We'll explore its rumored features, its potential impact on photography, and why it might redefine how we approach image making. Stick around until the end, because this camera could be a game changer for your creative journey. A leap forward for Micro Four Thirds. The OM-5 Mark II isn't just another minor upgrade. It's poised to be a significant leap forward for the Micro Four Thirds ecosystem. Olympus, now under OM Digital Solutions, has a history of pushing the boundaries of imaging technology. This new model appears to uphold that legacy by combining advanced hardware with cutting-edge computational photography. But this camera isn't just about impressive specs. It's about giving photographers and videographers the tools to capture moments effortlessly and with more creative freedom. So, what exactly makes the OM-5 Mark II stand out? Let's break it down, feature by feature. Sensor and processor. The heart of the camera. At the core of any great camera is its sensor and processor, and the OM-5 Mark II is rumored to feature a 25-megapixel Live MOS sensor in the Micro Four Thirds format. While this might seem like a small bump in resolution, the real benefits come in the form of enhanced image quality, greater detail, and improved low-light performance. Complementing the sensor is the TruePic X Plus image processor, expected to deliver faster processing speeds for quick image capture, more accurate color reproduction for lifelike images, greater dynamic range, ensuring details are preserved in both highlights and shadows. Imagine shooting a bustling cityscape at night or a delicate flower in soft morning light. This combination is designed to bring those scenes to life with stunning clarity. Autofocus. AI-powered precision. A high-quality sensor means little if your subject isn't in focus. That's why autofocus is critical. The OM-5 Mark II is rumored to feature a 121-point hybrid autofocus system that combines phase detection and contrast detection technology. What truly makes this autofocus system stand out is its AI-driven capabilities. The camera is expected to feature advanced subject recognition, enabling it to identify and track eyes, faces, and even animals with incredible accuracy. Whether you're photographing a fast-moving bird, a candid street portrait, or a dynamic sports scene, this system promises to lock onto your subject and keep it in focus. Image stabilization. Industry-leading stability. Stability is crucial when shooting handheld, and the OM-5 Mark II is rumored to feature an impressive 7-axis in-body image stabilization system, providing up to 7.5 stops of compensation when paired with compatible lenses. What does this mean for photographers and videographers? Sharp handheld shots, even in low light. Steady video footage without a gimbal. Long exposure shots without a tripod. No more dealing with shaky hands ruining your shots. This system acts like an invisible tripod, ensuring clean, crisp results. Speed. Capture every moment. For those who need speed, the OM-5 Mark II is rumored to offer 15 frames per second with its mechanical shutter and an incredible 40 frames per second with its electronic shutter, even when shooting in RAW format. For wildlife photographers, sports enthusiasts, or anyone capturing fast-moving subjects, this means you'll never miss a decisive moment. Whether it's a cheetah in full sprint or a child's fleeting smile, the camera ensures you have every frame you need. Video capabilities. A filmmaker's dream. Modern cameras aren't just about still photography. They need to excel in video recording, too. The OM-5 Mark II is rumored to feature 4K video recording at 60 frames per second with 10-bit internal support for richer colors and more flexibility in post-production. Full HD at 240 frames per second for stunning slow-motion sequences. Enhanced live ND filters allow you to create motion blur effects even in bright conditions. Vertical video support, catering to content creators on platforms like Instagram and TikTok. This isn't just a camera, it's a storytelling powerhouse designed to meet the demands of today's hybrid shooters. Display and viewfinder. Clarity in composition. A great camera needs a great display and viewfinder. The OM-5 Mark II is rumored to include a 3.2-inch vari-angle LCD screen with 1.84 million dots, perfect for composing shots at any angle. A 3.68 million dot OLED electronic viewfinder, delivering a bright, detailed, and lag-free viewing experience. Whether you're shooting from a low angle for macro photography or capturing a high-angle crowd shot, this screen and EVF combo ensures you always have the perfect perspective. Build quality, rugged and weather-sealed. For many photographers, durability is a key factor when choosing camera. The OM-5 Mark II is expected to feature a lightweight magnesium alloy body, keeping it both strong and portable. IP54 rated weather sealing offers protection against dust, splashes, and freezing temperatures. Whether you're shooting in a rainy forest or braving the cold for a sunrise landscape, this camera is built to handle the elements. Connectivity and storage. Seamless workflow. In today's world, connectivity is more important than ever. The OM-5 Mark II is rumored to include USB-C with power delivery, allowing for fast charging and data transfer. Dual SD card slots with UHS 2 support, ensuring fast and secure file storage. Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.1 provide quick and reliable wireless file transfers. Whether you're sending images to your phone for instant sharing or backing up files to the cloud, this camera makes the process effortless. Innovative features, expanding creative possibilities. The OM-5 Mark II isn't just about better hardware, it's packed with innovative software features that expand what's possible. Starry Sky AF, making astrophotography easier than ever. Live composite mode, perfect for long exposure shots. Handheld high-resolution mode, allowing you to capture 64-megapixel images without a tripod. These aren't just features, they're tools designed to push your creativity further. Battery life and pricing. Battery performance is another key aspect, and the OM-5 Mark II is rumored to use the new BLX-1 battery, offering up to 400 shots per charge. That means you can shoot all day without worrying about power. As for pricing, the OM-5 Mark II is expected to launch at $1,299, $1,699. For its features and performance, this pricing positions it as an excellent value proposition. Final thoughts. Will it live up to the hype? If these rumors hold, the OM-5 Mark II could redefine what's possible in its class. With its impressive autofocus, advanced stabilization, high-speed shooting, and robust build, it's shaping up to be a powerhouse for both photographers and filmmakers.